What does the American West have to do with the French Avant-garde? For Jacques Marie Mage's collection with Turkish designer Umit Benan, everything. Made for perfecting your sartorial style, these 4 limited edition sunglasses evoke a trailblazing edge. Welcome to the first episode of Mia Burton's All About the Details, a series dedicated to the most covetable eyewear collections and why they belong in your wardrobe. What really stands out when you first see the collection is the preciousness of the materials. Plant-based acetate, responsibly sourced turquoise gemstones, and sterling silver core wires create an impeccable feel. Filigree symbols inspired by the American Southwest adorn every model with different levels of intensity. From sleek black to warm earthy browns, we've selected the best colorways that highlight these details to the fullest extent. We'll start with one of the brand's classic styles, the Dealan. An iconic silhouette with a confident square shape and thick profile, it's not hard to see why it's part of the collection. Total black is definitely our favorite colorway. We love the powerful contrast it creates with the silver core wire and North Star detail. Next, we have the Hulya, a rectangular shape that is anything but classic, which is exactly why we chose it. What gives it this edge? The earthy tortoise, contrasting sky blue lenses, and also its form, which is 90s inspired and chunky. A silver core wire is partly visible, showing the collection's evocative star and moon symbols. Here we have the Belize, the most oversized frame of the series. We picked the Tokyo tortoise shade, a particular matte pattern that almost recalls a giraffe's spots. Deep, vintage green lenses provide contrast without overpowering the look, and a custom block-designed hinge polishes it off. Lastly is the Caan, a balanced, 60s-esque rounded frame with undeniable sophistication. We've chosen the London colorway. With its earthy brown acetate and orange lenses, it creates a warm, tonal look that is perfectly retro. A custom monoblock hinge embellishes the temples, giving the profile a metallic touch. With every detail, a level of storytelling emerges. Umit Benan wanted to be a filmmaker before deciding to study fashion, and the cinematic eye is forever present. The collection also includes clothing, from Western blazers to blankets and bolo ties. It's almost as if you can actually see the beginning of a film unfold. And just like a great film's wardrobe, these frames are collectibles themselves. Only 250 pieces of the Dealan exist, while the Hulya, Belize, and Caan tote a more limited run of 150 pieces. Such a small batch production reflects your truly unique style, one that can't be replicated. Along with this unique nature, each of these styles is a result of expert craftsmanship, which isn't forgotten in the exclusive packaging. Here's what to expect. Thought-out design that references the collection's Western influences, seen here in the stitched soft case with the strap, button closure, and faux fur lining that will keep your frames perfectly scratch-free, no matter where you take them. A blue Umit Benan microfiber cloth, and a special QR code for digital ownership, a warranty booklet, and of course, the signature Circa collection card with a limited edition serial number, all carefully contained in a hard-shelled Umit Benan box, the finishing touch to a one-of-a-kind style. Did you like the video? Leave a comment and let us know what other collections you want to see reviewed or unboxed. Visit our channel and subscribe for more.